Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Breakaway C Box Break. This is for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck SP Game Use Box Break number 9. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. So in the box is NE206-025-840. That's NE206-025-840. Now here we go. Good luck, everybody. So the Fennec Fabrics dual jersey of Shea Weber and Pekka Rinne for the Predators. Then a Fabric Shea Weber for the Predators. Back-to-back Predator sets. Rookie Fabrics of Jarred Tinordi for the Canadiens. We got a quad jersey of Carolina and Jamie Benn, Mike Modano, and Trevor Daley. Nice hit for Dallas. The last pack. Got nothing a rookie for the Kings of Tyler Toffoli. And there we go. So thank you very much, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.